The story of paper. In ancient times, clay tablets made of mud were used for writing. Later, the bark of birch tree and palm leaves were used for writing. Egyptians made paper from a plant called papyrus. Papyrus is the local name of reed growing in delta of river Nile in Egypt. The word paper comes from papyrus. Demand for paper is increasing day by day due to increase in demand of knowledge. Scientists have developed the technique of making paper from wood pulp and other things. This shows the papyrus plant before harvesting. After harvesting, the stem was cut into several thin sheets using a sharp tool. These sheets were laid next to each other and layers were placed on top at right angles. A piece of cloth was laid on top and was hammered gently to break down the fibers. The papyrus was left to dry slightly, then rubbed smooth with a stone. Today we have papers made from a variety of material. Crores of trees are cut every year to manufacture paper. We can save cutting of trees by not wasting paper. Do you know paper was first made in China by Sai Lun? He made paper by pounding the bark of mulberry tree. Braille script. Braille script is a script which is used by the blind people to read. It is a special type of writing which has raised dots on the paper. This script was developed by Louis Braille in 1825. This script has enabled blind people to read and study. A blind person can read the words by putting his fingertips over the raised dots. The development of this script has helped blind students to compete with normal students in the field of education. Literacy and progress. Although man has made remarkable progress in every field of life, there are crores of people in India who are still illiterate. Many of them have never been to school. Literacy and poverty are closely related to each other. Illiteracy leads to superstitions and backwardness. To remove illiteracy, we must promote education. What is illiteracy, dear children? Illiteracy means people who are not literate, means who are not educated. Those who can't read or write, those people are called illiterate. So, we must do our efforts for removing illiteracy so that we can remove superstitions and backwardness from our society. And for that, what do we need to do? We need to promote education. So, that was all about the chapter 10, World of Growing Knowledge. Have a wonderful day, dear children.